起加入客家风情，大家來講客家吧。
Hey, what's up? It's time for Practical Hakka on FM 100 Icrt.
Hello， 你好，大家好，我係 Alice 彭。
Hello， 你好，大家好，我係 Joseph Lin。有没有感觉我现在精神很好？因为我今天喝了很多咖啡，但是我还要再喝。
你已经喝很多杯了呢。
这附近有卖咖啡的人帮我买好不好？Hey, let's teach you the term this whole month 附近 which means nearby. I want to ask for some coffee. Okay, nearby 怎么说？
附近。
附近 Okay, that again is nearby. 这个你好像要去
对啊，我要去便利商店咯。
然后顺便就帮我买一杯咖啡。
你真的是很麻烦呢。
Well, let's put you in a scenario like this. 我去附近的商店买饮料。I'm gonna go get some drinks at the nearby convenience store.
我去附近嘅店咩？
我去附近嘅店咩？
買飲料。
買飲料。飲料就是飲料。That's beverage, just drink in general, right? I'm going to the nearby convenience store, 就是一个商店了。其实商店 doesn't have to be convenience store, but any kind of store, shop. 店咩？
就是商店咯。
商店的意思 ，That's what it is, all right? 可以帮我買一杯咖啡嗎 ？Can you get me a cup of coffee?
做地佬嗌買。
做地佬嗌買。
一筆咖啡嘛。
一筆咖啡嘛，一筆。
对，
我那边有几点，你可以画1笔、2笔、3笔这样子，对不对？
画2笔就是2杯，3笔就是3杯哦。
不是这个意思，是
一杯啦，
一杯，
不是一笔。
Sounds like a pen, like a scratch of a pen, you know, like a checkbox, but no, it actually means 1 cup. Okay, 一筆咖啡 Okay, that means 1 cup of coffee. Got it. 但是你刚刚讲嘛，你早上已经喝2杯了。
对呀，你快早上
对，然后确认我真的是要买，
对，
真的是要再多喝。来，How do you say that? But you already had 2 cups of coffee this morning. 早晨。
幾件？是2筆嘅呢。
是2筆嘅呢。Okay, 我知道筆是杯了啦，2筆 that means 2杯。Okay, but you already had 2 cups this morning. 哎呀，真的啦，我要提神，今天还要熬夜，不好意思。Okay, it's time to review and reinforce some of these phrases right here, such as a beverage or a drink, 飲料。飲料 Okay, and then there's 一杯咖啡、2杯咖啡。
Okay.
怎么说？
一筆咖啡。
一筆咖啡 or
2筆咖啡。
Okay, 筆 that means 杯 that means a cup, and 咖啡 it sounds like coffee, and it's actually a direct translation from coffee. All right, it's all about the term 附近 that we're teaching you this whole month. How do you say that? Nearby?
附近
And now you know how to ask for some drinks. All right, that does for today's Practical Hakka.
什麼大家？
漢字say 張來了。
客家風情由客家委員會監製。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Hakka Affairs Council.